Samsung's original Samsung Galaxy Buds were a decent true wireless offering. They offered impressive battery life, wireless charging, and a comfortable and lightweight fit. Uh, but the sound quality was merely okay, and the mic were awful to take voice call on. If you paid, if you paid full price, I don't think the price tag was justified. Samsung is back with the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus in 2020, and these are for most part similar to the predecessors, but these offer 11 hours of battery life. The voice quality has been ramped up because of the dual drivers design, and these are finally a decent offering for voice call. The price tag on this one is 12,000 rupees, and they are certainly well-rounded than their predecessors in every way. So in this video, I'll be unboxing the newly launched Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus and also giving my thoughts and review. Towards the end, I will also compare it to the predecessors, which is the original Galaxy Buds. So without any delay, let's get started. So this is the package in which we get the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. Opening the package, we are greeted with another package, and on opening that package, we get the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus box. At the front, we have the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus branding and a picture of Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus itself. Towards the back, there are few key information. The Buds alone has the battery life of 11 hours. Yeah, you heard it right. It is 11 hours. Then it has two-way speaker for its sound, triple mic for clear voice calls, and Qi compatible wireless charging. Cutting to the seal and opening the box, we get the box in the lid, which has the warranty card and the quick start guide. There is another box which has the Type-C cable and an extra ear tips. Then we have the Buds Plus itself. The case is really compact and glossy, unlike the original Buds Plus, which had the matte finish. Inside the case, this is how the Buds looks like. The Buds have golden contact pins, triple mic, and the touchpad for the gestures. So I've been using these Buds for around 2 weeks. I was rather happy with the design of the original Buds. So it's good that Samsung hasn't changed much in this department. The Galaxy Buds Plus retain the same design and comfort that we loved about the original Buds, and come with 3 pairs of wings and the silicone ear tips each. This helps to get a secure and comfortable fit, which made a decent level of passive noise isolation. If you don't like the fit of the wings, there is also one pair of plain rubber rings that can be used in their place. The Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus is available in black, white, and blue. The earphones and the charging case look just a bit different, with the glossy finish on both Buds and its charging case, instead of a matte finish we saw on the original Galaxy Buds. This, in my opinion, has made the earphones look a bit better. The charging case in all of the ways is same as before, with an indicator light in front and Type-C port for charging at the back. The case can also be charged wirelessly through reverse wireless charging or Qi wireless charger. The touch controls on Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus are easy and intuitive. So one tap to play or pause, double tap to skip to the next song or pick or end the call, triple tap is to go to the previous song. Touch and hold options is to either decline a call, or you can have it trigger some shortcuts. So for me, I've used the left side as an ambient mode and the right side as Google Assistant. So there is a way to increase or decrease the volumes also in the touch and hold section, but you will be losing other options. So luckily you don't have to do that, because Samsung has given us an extra feature in the lap section to tap behind the earbuds to increase or decrease the volume. But it's difficult to reach there, but there's a trick to that. You need to tap towards the back side of your ears to increase or decrease the volume. So towards the left side, you need if you tap, you decrease the volume, and towards the right side you increase the volume. This is something that not everyone know, and when used it makes a whole lot difference. The app has a lot of useful features, such as the equalizer, custom touch controls, the Find My Earbuds tool to locate the earphones when in range, and voice readouts of notification. One big change though is the ability to see the charge level of the case through the app, which I appreciated. You can also turn on the ambient sound mode, adjust the intensity of the ambient sound passes through your ears, and set it up for voice calls so that you can hear your own voice properly. This was bit unusual at first, but I quickly got used to it. I did note this in use case. The Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus only lets your voice in while remaining decent isolation from all other sounds. As mentioned earlier, the touch and hold gestures of Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus can be customized through the app. You can have it control volume or set specific functions for each side, such as controlling the ambient sound mode using your phone's voice assistant or quickly launching Spotify even when the phone is locked. I quite like the Spotify integration since it quickly started playing music from streaming device without any need for additional input. Although the design specification and most features see only small changes, the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus has been improved significantly when it comes to performance. The new dual dynamic driver makes for better sound quality, while the triple microphone system improves performance on voice calls. While performance was best when used with a Samsung smartphone, the Galaxy Buds Plus also sounded good on non-Samsung devices, a big improvement over the original Galaxy Buds. We used the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus with the Samsung Galaxy S20 for most of the review to make use of the scalable Bluetooth codec. As expected, sound quality was best when the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus was paired with a Samsung smartphone. The scalable Bluetooth codec is on par with aptX and LDAC in my opinion, held back only with the fact that it's not available on Samsung devices. The highs were as clean as the lows and mids, and I also like the equalizer in the app, which was able to modify the sound signature efficiently. Last year's Samsung Galaxy Buds also sounded great when using the scalable codec, but performance with non-Samsung devices wasn't quite up to the mark. The Galaxy Buds Plus don't support the aptX or LDAC, but do make up with better driver and design and tuning. I found sound quality with non-Samsung devices to be much better than before as a result, and nearly as good as when using an AAC codec as with scalable. Last year's voice call quality was poor in Samsung Galaxy Buds, but Samsung has now made their mistakes right with the Galaxy Buds Plus. There is now additional microphone on each earbud, which is set to improve performance on calls as well as the ambient mode. I found performance in call to be excellent with clear sound and no complaints of poor voice transmission on the other side. The ambient mode also works as expected. So the question right now is to ask if these Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus are worth the asking price of 11,990, and in my opinion, definitely yes. If you have a budget of around 15,000 rupees, then this is the best truly wireless option right now available in the market, and these are well worth the asking price of 11,990. And if you're in the market planning to buy the new Samsung Galaxy S20 smartphones, then in my opinion you should also sell out those 2 to 3,000 rupees extra and get the Galaxy Buds. So let me know in the comments below what do you think of these Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus in the comments below. And with this I come to the end of the video. If you like what you saw, it would be of great help if you can smash that subscribe button and like the video. Till then, please be safe, please take care of yourself. I'll see you in the next one.